Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna be talking about stuff that we're gonna be doing this weekend and the new stuff that's coming. So for the Cruze, I got this fueltech 450. Got the wiring harness here. Me and my friend Daniel are gonna be wiring the car this weekend, and I took this decision because I had been having issues with the stock ECU. Like the tune seems inconsistent. I feel like I gotta tune the car every day and stuff, and I don't know, just a bunch of problems. So we're gonna be kind of doing like a piggyback setup where the fueltech will control the ignition and the fueling, and the car, since it's automatic, is gonna control the transmission. So basically the car is gonna think that it's running the motor, but it's not. So it's gonna have a RPM signal and everything going on, and it's gonna control the throttle. But yeah, I'll explain more as we go. I also have to do a trigger setup so I can run the fueltech. So we're gonna use this this wheel right here. Is I think it's a 32 teeth, and yeah, as you guys see, I got I had to measure the harmonic balancer to fit it on, and we're gonna bolt it on it with those holes that it has right there, and this should work pretty good. And I'm gonna custom make a bracket to mount it on the front, mount the Hall sensor. But I haven't done that yet because I get the Hall sensor tomorrow. So I wanna have it here so I can make, so I can make it right and stuff. So I'm waiting for tomorrow. Yeah, decided to record today and show you guys what's coming. Mira, en McDonald's no venden dona. So today's the day we're gonna put the fueltech on this thing. Already put the new trigger wheel, crank sensor on it. Gotta gap it, and you see the engine harness is here for the fueltech. Got all the grounds, intake, coolant temp sensor, injector plugs, coils. Gotta put these relays on it. You see it's a nice harness. It's a IAT grounds, a nice harness. He's gonna put it on the car and first start it today. Hopefully he ain't gonna have no problems. We'll see. I've just been working with the car, finalizing the fueltech. We first started the car and we're dealing with some problems with some sensors, and we figured them out. And now the car is running and we're in process of tuning the car. I also tuned a 240 the other day. I mean, when I say tune, it was more like a cleanup because I tuned that car a year ago. And it's been running, so I just did a cleanup tune on it with a freshen up motor, and I'm here ready to look at RX-7 that I'm supposed to tune sometime soon. But yeah, I've been tuning the Cruze, and it's drivable now. Seems like everything's gonna work fine. But yeah. Oh man.
It's like wanting a flood or something. I don't know. The battery's like dying. Hold on a sec.
Is that
It's always felt weak.
that video was? Yeah. Let me look at here. Engine protection.
Oh yeah, that's right. We need to.
Fail safe. Engine light. Others. Where is it? Boost, idle, knock sensor. Maybe an ignition. Ignition table. Okay. You don't have no limiter?
It should. You set it to 8K.
Okay, 7,000, right?
Yeah, 7,000, 7,200 is what people suggested.
Yeah, let's keep it on 0.
What?
0 retard
Okay.
timing. Or if you want it low rowdy, I can put it on 10. Let's put it on 5.
Okay.
-5. Okay. Start it. Let's see.
There's a lap belt. It's underneath. I think the only other person that sat in that seat was Jack.
Oh. The white band's still not going, right? That's 14.8.
It'll warm up. You remember that? Yeah, see.
I forgot where I can see it here. Yeah, I forgot. It's been a minute, man. It's been like a year.
That fuel pump